Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us discuss about some properties of a fluid. In that, we will discuss about viscosity. Viscosity is defined as the property of a fluid which offers resistance to the movement of one layer of fluid over another adjacent layer of the fluid. Here, suppose consider this figure. Here this is the velocity of the inner layer, suppose it's u, and the next adjacent layer the velocity is u plus du. Now the distance between the two layers is, let it be dy. Now this is y distance from the center of the conduit. Now here, when two layers of a fluid at a distance dy move one over the other at the different velocities, that is u and u plus du. Now the viscosity together with the relative velocity causes a shear stress acting between the fluid layers. Here two adjacent layers of the fluid, so it forms one another, it causes a shear stress between the two layers of the fluid. Now the top layer causes a shear stress over the bottom layer, as well as the bottom layer causes the shear stress on top layer, vice versa. The shear stress is proportional to the rate of change of velocity with respect to y. It is denoted by the symbol tau. Now here the tau is directly proportional to the rate of change of velocity with respect to y. Rate of change of velocity here du by dy means the shear stress tau is directly proportional to the rate of change of velocity, that is du by dy. Now we can apply the proportionality constant, that is equal to mu into du over dy. Now here the mu is called constant of proportionality, and is known as coefficient of dynamic viscosity, and is known as coefficient of dynamic viscosity, and simply it is called viscosity. Now here du over dy represent the rate of shear strain or rate of shear deformation, or just velocity gradient. Now from the above proportionality equation we can write mu equal to over du by dy. Now we can define the viscosity in this manner also, like the viscosity is also defined as the shear stress required to produce unit rate of shear strain. Unit rate of shear strain. Now we'll discuss Newton's law of viscosity. It states that shear stress, that is tau, on a fluid element layer is directly proportional to the rate of shear strain. The constant of proportionality is called the coefficient of viscosity. Now, by Newton's law, tau equal mu du over dy, already discussed. Here mu is a coefficient of viscosity. Here, that Newton's law, from the Newton's law of viscosity, we can get the coefficient of viscosity of the fluid also. You can get it. Now, a fluid which obey above relation are called Newtonian fluid, but some fluids will not obey the Newton's law of viscosity, so it's called non-Newtonian fluids. We have done.